welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I create these beautiful beach waves on your own hair. I have been wanting to film this video for a couple months now, and every time I do beach waves on my clients' hair, they're always like, how do you do it? I can never curl my own hair. So that's why I'm here today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I curled my hair just like this and how you can get these beach waves as well. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just go ahead and get on into it. All right, so we are starting with this. This is pretty much all my natural hair. The past couple days I've just been wearing it in like twists like this, you know, and I'll do that on both sides and wear it in like a low bun, and it just gives me a little bit of a wave here in the front, but all this back here is pretty much my natural. I didn't want to start with blow dried hair because not everyone curls their hair when it's nicely blown out, you know, so we're gonna start with wavy hair. So for my hair length, anything past I think this length, you want to use a curling iron that's 1.25 inches size. If you have shorter hair that's maybe right at your shoulders or shorter, I would use an 1 inch size curling iron. This is 1.25 inches, and 1/4 makes a huge difference because then you go 1/4 size up to 1.5 inches, and that one works great for really long hair. So what I like to use for my length of hair is 1.25 inches. So you're first gonna start by brushing your hair out. You want to get all those tangles out, kind of loosen up all of those waves and curls that you have. It makes it much easier. This is a Hot Tools professional curling iron. It's just a regular curling iron, 1.25 inches. And you're also going to need, if you really want that beach wave look and want the straight ends at the bottom, you're going to need a straightener. This is from the brand Croc. I already have product in my hair from a couple days ago. I like to put in a leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant oil. I will have those listed right here somewhere on the screen or in the description box below, but they are both Olaplex products. I put them in a couple days ago, right after I washed my hair. So you first want to figure out where you want to part your hair. And what we're gonna do is split our hair in 3 sections. So one right here at the ear, and then one right here. So first, right at the ear, start going back, clip the rest up, split my hair in half, and just take a section. The most important thing is making sure that each piece is nice and smooth. So I like to start right in the back. The clamp's gonna be in the front. So I like to start at the top, smooth it out a little bit, and once I get towards the middle, I'm gonna wrap it around, just like that. You want to leave the ends out, just like this. So I only need to wrap it around once because these hairs down here are so short. Then you wanna unravel it and just smooth the rest out. This is why I'm going to need to straighten my ends, because sometimes you'll get a little bend right here, or sometimes the curling iron just doesn't smooth out the ends of your hair as nicely as you want them to. So then take another section. I'll show you guys the amount that I have. This is the thickness. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a good sized chunk of hair. Smooth it out. Once you get to the center, wrap it around. Now this one's a little bit longer. So what we're gonna do is unravel it, roll it down a little bit more, wrap it around until you have about 2 inches hanging out. Unravel it again and smooth it out, just like that. And if it makes it easier for you, go ahead and curl all the way to the ends, and then we're just gonna straighten those out again. I don't highly recommend that because you're using a lot of heat on your ends. And what's nice about the beach waves is we're using very little heat on your ends. So just keep that in mind. Okay, we're gonna repeat the same thing, just the opposite way, but the clamp is still gonna be in the front. So smooth it out. Wrap it around once. If your hair is longer, unravel and keep wrapping it. Unravel, keep wrapping it until you get to the ends, and then just unravel and smooth it out. Now you'll see my hair is longer on the top, so I'll be able to show you guys that a little bit better. But because I have wavy hair too, I really want to make sure I smooth out this top part, because I don't want my curls to go all the way up, so I need to make sure that I kind of straighten it with the curling iron in a way. Now the way I like to curl my hair is all of this side curled away from my face, and then all of this side curled away from my face. So I'm not alternating on my hair just because it's easier for me, and it's easier when I need to touch up my curls in the next couple days. So that's why I split it in half. All of these are going away from my face, all of these are going away from my face. It just makes it easier for me. I think it's gonna be easier for you when you do your own hair. We're gonna go into the next section. So like I said, right about here. Now the back is gonna be a little bit harder, so make sure that, again, with the clamp in the front, you can see the clamp. Go all the way up to the root and smooth it out. And curl it in. Unravel it, smooth it out, leave those ends out. Unravel it and smooth it out. So you just want to continue this process until you get towards the front. So now I'm going to take this top section, kind of let the hair fall. I just kind of take my finger, bring it over into the middle, and split it right down the center there. And split it in half. This side, because I have more hair on this side, I'm going to split this in half again. But I'm going to do this side first. So I'm just going to clip this out of the way for right now. So do you see this hair is longer, so I have to unravel and wrap it a couple times. But we're also taking vertical sections, so that's why I am able to curl my hair so fast. Like, I have thick hair. Even if you have long hair and thick hair, doing this technique makes the time go by so fast. Now we're at the very front. I like to curl it a little bit forward, like this. So this is where it can get a little tricky. I'm gonna smooth out that end like that. And you can see I'm kind of holding the iron at an angle. And that is because I want my curls, I want this to kind of fan forward like that. I have a little bit of a bang here, and that's a little too curly for me. So what I'm gonna do when I straighten it is pull this. You can see that one wave, that's all I need. I'm just gonna straighten the rest. That way it's not so curly. I don't need that to be that curly. All right, so this side is all done. You can see everything curls away from my face. And right now it just kind of looks like prom curls. It's too curly. And we're not gonna leave it like that. We are gonna comb it out. You just wanna make sure that your curls are all cooled down before you touch them at all. So again, we're just gonna repeat everything that we've been doing. Okay, so now we're down to the last section, and I'm still doing the same thing that we've been doing. This is about when you can plug in your straightener and let it heat up, when you're on your last section. I'm on the last section of hair here. So I just kind of let my bangs fall out there, and that's okay. So I'm just gonna take whatever fell out. And what you're gonna do, I'm holding it the same way, so the clamp is still gonna be in the front. I'm just over directing my bangs, okay? So you wanna clamp on and smooth it out, just like that. While our curls are cooling, we are going to straighten out all of these ends for a beachier look. So with this straightener, you can adjust the heat settings according to your hair type, which is awesome. They have fine, which is at 330 degrees, medium, which is at 370 degrees, wavy, which is at 410 degrees, and coarse, which is at 450 degrees. Now, I do use this straightener on my clients, and I use these temperatures accordingly. Now, my hair right now is medium, so that's the setting that I'm gonna use. When I'm straightening my hair, when it's just been crazy wavy like you saw today, I sometimes will use wavy if I want to move a little bit faster, but I most of the time, like 99% of the time, use medium on my own hair because it is a little bit wavy, but it's not anything that the 370 degree cannot handle. What you want to do is just split your hair in half like so, and you can kind of fan it out like this. Bring everything over your shoulder and fan it out. I'm going to start on this side so you can put that behind your shoulder if you want to. And what I want to do is just straighten out all of these ends. So you're going to take a comb, you can take a good size section, and I'm going to go about 2 to 3 inches up. And right over the comb, just take the straightener and slowly smooth out those ends. The thing I like about the comb is that it really separates every strand and makes sure that you are getting super smooth ends, just like that. And just slowly move the straightener and the comb together. And this is what we started with. Can you see that difference? Isn't it crazy? This little guy right here, and just smooth that out just a little bit. You see how much better that is already? And then you want to go through, make sure everything is nice and smooth on those ends. Okay, now that you have all of the curls nice and cool, you can even feel it. There's no more warmth. It's all cooled down. This is the time where you add your hairspray. So what I like to use is the Kenra Volume Spray Super Hold Finishing Hairspray. And what I like about this So this is a little travel size, guys. So I keep this one in my purse at all times. So what I'm gonna do is just add a tiny bit on the top here, just to lay down some of that frizz. Just lightly spray everything. I like to do just a little bit because then once I comb them out, I will set them again with more hairspray. I'm just gonna go through and finger comb my hair. Let all these curls become beautiful, soft beach waves. This hairspray is really nice because it has really good hold, but you can still run your fingers through it. You know, it lays all of the frizz down, but it also kind of gives my hair some texture. And this hairspray smells really good too. Spray the bangs, and this is the look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys create these curls on yourself, please let me know. If you're one of my clients, please let me know the next time I see you if you tried it out and how it worked for you. Make sure to take lots of pictures and send them to me. I will make sure to tag you and post them on Instagram. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of video you would like to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!